Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a beauty secret that has been cherished in China for centuries. Imagine a world where your hair care routine is not just about cleaning, but about nourishing your scalp and hair with the pure power of nature. We're talking about traditional plant-based shampoos. A practice that has been passed down for more than 200 years and is still loved by many today. So, what makes these ancient recipes so special? It's all about what's inside, or rather, what's not. The core philosophy is simple: no harsh chemicals. For generations, people have turned to the gifts of the earth to maintain healthy, beautiful hair. This isn't just a trend, it's a time-tested tradition rooted in the belief that nature provides everything we need. In a world where our shelves are filled with products containing long lists of synthetic ingredients, the idea of going back to basics is more appealing than ever. Many people are choosing these natural alternatives to avoid the synthetic chemicals often found in modern soaps and shampoos, which can sometimes strip the hair and irritate the scalp. Let's explore some of the star ingredients in these traditional preparations. One of the most famous is the soap nut, also known as Huan Zi or soapberry. These little berries are amazing. When you mix them with water, they produce a natural lather, thanks to a compound called saponin. It cleanses gently yet effectively, without stripping your hair of its natural oils. This means your hair stays moisturized, and your scalp remains balanced, which is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Using soap nuts is like giving your hair a gentle bubbly bath straight from a tree. Another hero ingredient is rice water. You might have heard about this one, as it's been gaining a lot of popularity online, and for good reason. The practice of using fermented rice water known as Tao Mi Shui has been a beauty staple for women in villages like Huangluo, the long hair village, where women are famous for their incredibly long, dark and healthy hair that often doesn't gray until they are well into their 80s. The secret: they wash their hair with the water left over from rinsing rice. This cloudy liquid is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's believed to strengthen the hair shaft, add shine, and make detangling a breeze. It's a simple, sustainable practice that turns a kitchen byproduct into a potent hair elixir. Then we have Polygonum Multiflorum, or Shou Wu. This herb is legendary in traditional Chinese medicine and is renowned for its hair benefits. The name itself translates to Mr. He's black hair, which comes from an ancient story of a man who restored his youthful vitality and dark hair color by consuming this root. While it's often taken internally, it's also a key ingredient in external hair rinses and shampoos. It's believed to nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair follicles, and combat premature graying. It's all about promoting a healthy environment for your hair to thrive from the root. Tea seed powder, or chiku, is another fascinating ingredient. This powder is made from the seeds of camellia trees, the same family of plants that gives us our beloved tea. After the oil is pressed from the seeds, the remaining residue is ground into a fine powder. Just like soap nuts, it contains natural saponins that create a gentle foam to clean the hair and scalp. It's known for its ability to remove dirt and excess oil while leaving the hair soft and manageable. Plus, it has a wonderfully earthy, natural scent. So how did people traditionally make these shampoos? It was often a beautiful, ritualistic process. They would gather the herbs, nuts, and seeds, and then boil them in a large pot of water. This process would release all the beneficial compounds into the water, creating a rich, dark liquid. After simmering for a while, the mixture would be strained, and the resulting decoction would be cooled and used as a hair wash. Sometimes, they would add other ingredients like ginger to stimulate the scalp, or a bit of pomelo peel for its refreshing fragrance and extra cleansing power. Imagine the experience: pouring this warm herbal-infused liquid over your hair, massaging it into your scalp, and breathing in the natural, grounding aromas. It's a far cry from a quick, rushed shower with a bottle of synthetic-smelling shampoo. This traditional method is a form of self-care, a moment to connect with nature and with a heritage of wisdom. The benefits that people report are truly inspiring. Many find that their scalp feels healthier and less prone to issues like dandruff or itchiness, because these natural cleansers don't strip away the scalp's protective oils. The scalp can regulate itself better, often leading to hair that is less greasy or less dry. Users often notice their hair becomes stronger, shinier, and has more volume. For those with sensitive skin or allergies, switching to a chemical-free routine can be a complete game-changer, offering relief from irritation. Of course, making the switch does require a little adjustment. Natural shampoos always produce the same massive amount of foam we reused to from commercial products. Because they don't contain synthetic foaming agents like sulfates. This doesn't mean they aren't cleaning your hair. It's just a different, gentler kind of clean. There might also be a transition period where your hair and scalp need to get used to the new routine, as they detox from years of using conventional products. But for many, the long-term results are more than worth the initial adjustment. The best part is that this ancient wisdom is becoming more accessible. While you can certainly try making your own herbal shampoos at home, and it can be a really fun and rewarding DIY project, there are also many brands today that are inspired by these traditional recipes. They are creating products that combine the best of both worlds, the power of ancient botanicals with the convenience of a modern bottle. They focus on clean, simple ingredient lists, bringing these time-honored practices to a new generation. This movement back to nature is more than just about hair. It's part of a larger conversation about wellness, sustainability, and mindful living. It's about questioning what we put on our bodies and seeking out choices that are not only good for us but also gentle on the planet. Using a shampoo made from rice, water, or tea seeds connects us to a cycle of use and reuse, minimizing waste and embracing a simpler, more holistic approach to beauty. This deep respect for nature's wisdom, passed down through over 200 years of practice, offers us a powerful reminder: health and beauty aren't something that comes out of a lab. They are cultivated through a balanced relationship with the natural world. The lustrous, healthy hair that results from these practices is a testament to the enduring power of plants. So, are you curious to try this ancient approach to hair care? Have you ever used rice water or soap nuts? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Let's share our knowledge and journey towards healthier hair together. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural beauty secrets from around the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next one.